Everybody. So this is a demo video to show you the new addition to the OpenMRS HIS, and that is the product catalog functionality. So product catalog is a much needed feature because without it, in order for sync to be happening between different apps within an HIS, you need to maintain matching list of products with mappings between each product to make sure that when you order in system A, it's a matching corresponding product in system B. And that can prove to be complicated for implementers as well as day-to-day users, right? So in order to work around this, we implement a product catalog, which means that now within this HIS, there is one of the apps that becomes the source of truth for those products. In the case of OpenMRS HIS, we made the ERP system to be such an app, and then you create and manage your products in the ERP system, and it will dispatch the integration, the product catalog functionality will dispatch those products into the corresponding systems, apps, right? So for example, drugs, lab tests would be created into the ERP system, Odoo, and will be then dispatched and created into OpenMRS. So we only worked on an MVP for now, and this supports only drugs. So let me run you through. Here I've opened two windows. One is OpenMRS itself, OpenMRS 3. This is the dev HIS server, right? So dev-his.openmrs.org. I would encourage anybody to connect to it. And this is OpenMRS, so the EMR system, and this is Odoo, the ERP system. And as I explained, the ERP system is where the products now will be created. This is the catalog of products. So let me go through the demo. So let me go to inventory, products here, and create a new product and show that it will show as a new drug and become orderable right away in OpenMRS. So let's create a drug named drug B, for instance, 50 milligrams. That's, let's say, the pharmacy, the inventory manager now received a new drug. It's decided it has a price. This is decided to become an orderable product. So create the product. And now, in order to save it into OpenMRS on the EMR, in order to have a proper, complete medication resource, fire medication resource, I need a concept source and a concept code. And I need a drug strength as well, right? So drug strength, though, I think is optional, but concept source and concept code is mandatory. Only for drugs, of course. So for other non-orderable products, you can do whatever you want. So here I'm creating a drug B, and I need a concept source and a concept code. So there is predefined concept sources, CL here, SNOMED CT, and LOINC. They are configured in the system that can be changed by an implementer if you have your own custom concept sources. So let me use SNOMED CT here, for instance, and a concept code. So this means that this integration does not create concepts on the fly. The concept needs to exist in the target system in the first place. So it needs, and which means that it would probably need to exist in your terminology management system. Here in the case of OpenMRS HIS, we don't really have a terminology management system. This would be OpenMRS itself, probably. So I can look up in OpenMRS and find a concept that that would match for that drug. So as an example, I can search for acetaminophen and use that concept for the purpose of this demo. So I scroll down. So this is the right concept here. Selecting this SNOMED CT code. So I'm saying that this drug B is corresponding to this acetaminophen concept. I can put some drug strength here, and I can save that. So saving that is not sufficient to have the drug become available. It needs to be part of a category that is drugs. So then I can save that. And now I will wait a minute for it to become available in the list of drugs in OpenMRS. So let me open that. Where is it? Here. Refreshing the screen, and drug B is available now. So right away, it becomes available for ordering as well. I can go to the order basket, drug. Okay, I need to probably refresh the screen. Order basket, yeah. And drug B of trends, 50 milligrams becomes available for ordering. In the same way, we can then archive this product. If this drug B is just discontinued, or we know we're not going to receive this drug anymore, or there is a different dosage now, either I can edit, but probably I don't want to, because now my stock will be impacted as well if I just edit the dosage. So this is a different drug now, or this drug we don't have, we can't purchase in this country. There is not anymore, so I can probably archive it. If I do so, I go here and archive it, confirm that, and eventually this means it will be retired in OpenMRS. I'm refreshing the page. So at the moment, like I was saying, on this dev HIS server, this integration is configured to work every minute. This is not an event-based integration, I guess, because this is just an MVP. Ideally, we would want it to be event-based, but also because it's not a big impact, because it's not like we're creating and archiving new drugs, 100 times a day either, right? So this is metadata management, can be done, not exactly real time. Okay, we can see here the drug B doesn't appear anymore. So I can probably go here, refresh the screen again, order basket, and confirm that my drug B is not available for ordering. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.